Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. In today's video we are going to revise lesson number 12, measurement. At the end of this chapter you will be able to identify the units of measurement of length, weight, volume, temperature and time. And you will be able to explain the things needed to measure length, weight, volume, temperature and time. Okay, let's start. Here is the short story about grandpa's birthday. Here children are celebrating their grandpa's birthday. Benny and Aman are going shopping for grandpa's birthday today. This Benny and Aman, they are going for shopping for grandpa's birthday. They want to buy materials to make a shirt, a wrapping sheet, and ribbon for gift wrapping. Benny is going to bake a cake for him. Aman is planning to make mango ice cream for Grandpa. So for these preparations, they need some things to buy. So in what number, in which quantity they have to buy? Let's see. What are the things that Benny and Aman will need for the preparations? What are the things they need? They make a shopping list. Will they need anything else? Add it to the list. So here we are making shopping list for this birthday party. So if some more things they need, or if more things are needed, we can write in this shopping list. Here in the shopping list you can see cloth for making shirt 2 meters and 500 centimeters, means 2.5 meters. Ribbon 2 meters. Sugar 1 kg. White flour 500 grams, means half kg. Corn flour 100 grams. Mango 1 kg. Milk 1 liter. Cream 250 ml. And more things we have added here. Cherries 200 grams and wafers for cake 100 grams. So children, when we are making a list of things, so here we are writing its measurement. So in which quantity we have to take. If we go for shopping and say just give me the cloth or give me ribbons, give me sugar, then how the shopkeeper can give things to us? In which quantity? How can he decide how much quantity we want? So we need to mention these quantities, the length of something or the weight of the things, isn't it? So these are the measurements in units which we must write in the shopping list, because shopkeeper cannot give by his own wish. Okay, how much we want we have to mention here. So these Benny and Aman, their mother drives 3 kilometers and 500 meters to the market. Now they are going to market. Market is 3.5 kilometers far from their house. So they walk into the cloth store. Benny chooses a brown striped material for Grandpa's shirt. Okay. Mother asks the shopkeeper to give them 2.5 meters of cloth. The shopkeeper measures the cloth with the measuring tape. Here is the measuring tape. Do you know this tape, children? With this we measure the length of the object, length of the things. Mother asks the shopkeeper to give them 2.5 meter cloth. The shopkeeper measures the cloth with the measuring tape. It is marked in centimeter and meters. So shopkeeper measured the cloth with this tape and he cut it by the scissors and he gave them. Okay. So when we measure the length, in which units we have to measure it, how we should calculate the centimeters and meters, let's see. So here we are going to see the measurement of length. Okay, how long a thing is we can measure by this measuring tape. Let's see, measuring the length, measurement of length. The standard unit of measurement of length is the meter. How do we measure the length of anything? Length of a table, length of a bench, length of a wall, or length of cloth. Okay, how do we measure it? we measure it in meters. So the standard unit of length is meter. All types of lengths are measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Small lengths are measured in centimeters and large lengths are measured in meters. Long distances are measured in kilometers. See, if we want to measure a small object, like if you want to measure this pen, we have to measure it in centimeters. That is the smallest unit of length. Okay, if we are measuring some things which are longer, we can measure it in meters, like cloth or a bench or any other object. We can measure it in meters, but more long distances are measured in kilometers. So this length is measured in centimeter, meter and kilometer. We can measure the length and width of windows and doors in our homes. We can also measure the size of clothes to be given to the tailor for stitching them. So write the names of 5 other things you can measure with the measuring tape. Which are the more things which you can measure by this tape? You can measure your desk, where you sit and write. Your classroom you can measure in the meters. Your writing table, your playground, you can measure. Okay, so here are the units of length. Smallest unit is millimeter, then centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay, this is the units of length in decreasing order, in increasing order. The smallest unit is millimeter, then centimeter, after centimeter meter, and the unit which is used for long distances, that is kilometer. Okay, we can measure very tiny lengths in millimeter. So as we are saying, these millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer, they are in increasing order, smallest to the biggest, smallest to the longest. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit. So when we see 10 millimeter, it means it is equal to 1 centimeter. Then 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Understood, children? The smallest unit of length is millimeter and the biggest unit of length is kilometer. Okay, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. If you are saying something is 1 kilometer far, it means it is 1000 meters far. Okay, if you are saying one cloth is 1 meter long, its length is 1 meter, it means it is 100 centimeters long. Okay, if you are saying that our eraser or any small object is 1 centimeter long, its length is 1 centimeter, it means its size is 10 mm, 10 millimeter. Okay children, I hope you understood well measurement of length. In the next video we will continue this lesson with measurement of weight. Okay, that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.